Good morning, traders. Gates W. Adams here with GACTradingPro.com. I hope you had a wonderful Monday, and here we are Tuesday. We are doing some trading today, so do remember, trading involves risk. Please make sure you know what you're doing before you do it. All right. Wow. That sure as shit isn't right. Let's see here. This needs to be... Nope. Well, there we go. Now we effectively have all of our monitors up and running. Okay, so let's see here. Just got off my call, ran a little longer than we generally tend to, so let's get up to speed here. Hang on, let me get the feed going. If I can get this open. Refreshed. Hang on one sec. If I can get this open and muted. There we go. All right, cool. Okay, folks, let's have us a little look-see. I really like to kind of get a glimpse of the 30 tick. It just kind of gives me a better gauge of what's happening. What we're seeing is, well, let's see here, pushed pretty aggressively up, gave back most of it, and then we're kind of just slowly eking up and giving it back. So nothing very strong. We're clearly in some sort of a rangy sort of region here. Looks like there are some opportunities here before us, so let's just see what the day brings. Let's try to refresh this baby here, because that's not right. Gotta keep those clean. Let's check times. Times appear to be accurate. There we go. All right, so our dots are on the line, which tells me that they are actually correct. Now, yeah. Oh, that is just dashed across the board there. Okay, cool. So, well, oh, okay, yeah. All right, let's see what we got happening here. I don't necessarily think I'm seeing a lot of big move opportunities, at least as of the moment. Let's see what the scalp world brings us. Okay, now we're having a nice little push down. Well, and there it goes. Okay, well, pardon my background over here. It kind of got all jacked. I've been playing around with different webcams, trying to just get it look right. It's not doing that. I've got another one showing up today, and I've got at least one that I'm going to return. And let's see if I can get that to look the way that I want it to. But maybe we should at least try and see me. There we go. All right. I don't know if that's any better. But... All right. Let's see. Well, that is a very ambitious green on the DR. I don't know that I'd buy that. We're kind of back in that little rangy motion. That right there. That. I don't like that. That doesn't give me a lot of confidence in that arena just yet. So, let's look for some scalps. I'm not seeing any exhaustion, so it doesn't seem to want to give me an entry. And bouncing in the middle of nowhere seems to be not very interesting at all. We've got a reasonable focus here. Nope. Okay. Okay, now bounce off of... Never mind. I will say, I don't know if NQ has slowed down from when I started going through this process and was just horrified at the pace at which it moved, or if I'm just getting better at execution, or if these tools have helped. But it just doesn't seem that it's quite as overwhelmingly fast like it was before. So that's nice. That's a plus. That's definitely a move in the right direction. We've got a solid range here, certainly solid enough to try to trade. Okay, seriously. I don't know. We'll come back to that. Give me the exhaustion. Really and truly, I'd like to take something here. I don't want to take the wrong something, but I mean, we've got mini magnet, we've got two palm prints, we have a resistance level. I mean, this is a good place to take a trade if it'll just give me the goods, but it didn't. It just broke through all of that crap. So let's see what we got here. No exhaustion. So, a lot of relative volume. Still no exhaustion. That was a fight. I'm not painting anything, but I'd prefer it. Not necessarily. No, there we go.
Order canceled.
Okay. I tried. What can I say? Meh. So I guess that officially makes it an upward trend over here on simplicity. There's just not a lot of confirmation in any of that. Okay. find an entry with which to pick up 9 ticks. Let's see here. I mean, this is a pretty big stack of barriers right here. A big stack. So if it bounces off of it, great. If it pushes through it, I mean, I think that we might see a move. So let's see what happens. I mean, if it bounces off of it, it'd sure be nice to get a signal. It doesn't seem to want to give us one. Ah! Yeah. That was like a 9 easy ticks, but well, alright, so we've pushed through, and we're sitting at settlement. Let's get somewhere else. That's a stack of shit. I don't want it. Including settlement. Yeah, that's all well and good, but again, through settlement, I don't like it. Shit, it's giving me everything. I mean everything. Alright, let's see what it does.
Order filled. Target filled.
Alright. A little nervous about that one, but that was a pretty aggressive stack of stuff that it was bouncing off of, so that certainly made me a little happier. Let's see here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay. Yep, I kind of like where I'm sitting on that one. This could wrap up the day. You know what? I like it right there.
Order filled.
I'm good with that. Okay, so probably could have moved the target, but let's see here. Looks like that ended up wrapping me up for the day. Okay, so 2 trades, literally within just a couple of minutes of each other. One scalp, one move. Yeah, I could have pushed for some more on that, but there was definitely hesitation here. There was enough to bog it down that I'm very pleased with the exit that I took. So let's have us a little look. 2 trades, let's bring up our guy here. We'll just do this. No, let's bring it over here. And we'll look at it that way. Okay, so today, entry, short, scalp, hit my target within seconds. And a few moments later, look at it, less than a minute later, ended up taking that long on the Simplicity low risk entry, and it shot up, excuse me. I did close it out manually early because of some obstructions that it could have and ultimately did push through, but it just made sense at that point to go ahead and take that close. End result, let's see here. Whoops, where we go? 2 trades, up 175, total net liquidation 50,268.36. So that puts me at what, $731.64 away from doubling my position. Once I hit that $1,000 profit area, which is at 51,000, then I'm going to start moving into 2 contracts so that I can go ahead and get this baby finished up and move into my PA. Is the goal anyway. So that was fun. I like it when it's highly efficient like that. So anyway, Tuesday. There we go. Another day in the green and moving towards Wednesday. Let's see if we can get at least up to that 51,000 mark before the end of the week. I think that would be a very strong performance on my end. I think we're good. Appreciate you guys. And oh, by the way, I think a lot of people really kind of get all focused on the amount of daily profit. Bearing in mind, I'm running 1 contract on minis. Yeah, I could scale it down and do micros if I wanted to. I think $5 a tick, the way that I'm trading in terms of loss potential, risk, profit targets, and everything like that. I think I really like this structure. So for me to move into the $300 range, all that means is I got to do more contracts. I'm not looking to trade for 4 hours a day. I think a lot of guys are. I really want to get in and out and be done because I have a pretty busy schedule outside of trading in and of itself. Heck, I just got off of a half-hour call. I have another 4 hours worth of calls today. So, it's a lot in my world. So this suits me. I've spent 15 minutes pretty much spending more time talking than trading. I was done trading in a matter of less than 2 minutes. So as soon as I get through my first evaluation here, my immediate target is to get a second evaluation and couple that through the trade copier, pass my evaluation while I'm actually trading my first PA. And I may even get 2 evaluations on the next run, so that'll put me at 3 total PAs if and when I pass those, hopefully as quickly and efficiently as I'd like to think I'm going to end this one. But we'll see. We'll see how all of that plays out. I'm day 5 in. I'm up $260, so I'm about 1/12 of the way there. And then some. But nonetheless, I appreciate you guys stopping in and all the support and all the kind words and comments and likes that you guys throw out there from time to time. It really means everything to me. So keep them coming. And if you have not signed up for the free backstage, jump on in there. Just go to gactradingpro.com and you'll see it down towards the bottom of the page. And sign up. Just pop your email in there. It's totally free. It just gives you a chance to look back and basically watch the progress. I think that one of the biggest things for me is seeing that conversation that I'm having in my recap is very different now than it was about 2 months ago when I started. So that's kind of cool to see that growth, that development, that that shift within myself. So anyway, if you want to check that out, gactradingpro.com. Scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the free backstage pass, and you can go back to day one and just watch those recap videos. Some of them are pretty quick and short. Some of them are definitely a little bit longer. I think the longest one is in the 15-minute range, so not hugely long. But anyway, you can check all of that out and just see my progress and see how I've developed and grown as a trader just in 2 months. And I hope that this has been fun and interesting and at least entertaining to watch. So anyway, if there's anything that you guys want to see on here, by all means, let me know. I mean, I'm trading for me. I'm streaming for me too. But if there's something that you want to see, let me know. I mean, I'd like to be here for you as well, and give it more value for you. If there's a way that I can do that, I'm certainly happy to. So anyway, appreciate you guys. Love y'all. God bless. Have a wonderful Tuesday, and I'll see y'all backstage or